Told my Escalade, told that motherfucker. Yeah, we around. I only did this shit for my brother, yo. Alright, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe, man. Oh, today's Saturday now. Happy Saturday. Our takeoff unit. This is my remote. Put this shit down right here. It's on park. Slide this shit up. Don't damage nothing. Yeah, that shit was close. Listening to you, boy. That shit was about the skin of my teeth. That shit was like a hair off. Key word, when you touring for somebody, do not listen to them.
Don't listen to them, listen
Boy,
to you.
I almost missed this bumper by like a hair on my chin. But yeah, we done though.